Continuing to monitor tonight's risk of strong to severe thunderstorms. The latest update from the Storm Prediction Center continues to have the northwestern half of our area, essentially from Sterling to Rockford to Harvard, points off to the north and west, and that enhanced level 3 out of 5. The severe risk goes down substantially the farther south and east you go, especially towards DeKalb and into the Chicago area, because it's kind of a race against time here. That storms are much more likely across Iowa, and if those storms can reach this far east into Illinois, then all hazards would be possible, but that risk goes down the farther east you go. Tornadoes, large hail, damaging winds, all possible with any scattered activity that would be reaching our area after 7 p.m., likely well after sunset. So the rest of this afternoon does stay dry. The highest risk is off to our north and west across western Wisconsin into Minnesota and northern Iowa. This is going to be where we watch out for thunderstorms to develop here over the rest of the day and see, can they make it into our area? And if they do, that would bring that all hazards threat. What I'm concerned about locally is that we're getting a whole lot of sunshine that's building up the instability in the atmosphere. Now, there is cloud cover across Iowa now, but that's likely not going to do much. I think we still get to see those storms developing if that capping inversion can break. This look at future track is what we watch out for if the storms can break through that capping inversion. So you see, we're dry for really the rest of the afternoon. We're going to be watching storms potentially popping up in western Iowa in the late afternoon, or Wisconsin, I should say. Across eastern Iowa, though, we'll see maybe after 7 o'clock, this version of future track tries to pop up a few thunderstorms near the Mississippi River. We'll have to watch out for that carefully, because that would bring that all hazards threat. But again, we're going to be watching out to our west across the state of Iowa late at night. This is 11 o'clock in the night, so we're going to be, a lot of us heading to bed at this point. We're watching this activity carefully. Can it reach our area? But as you see here, we're talking about 2, 3 o'clock in the morning by the time those storms would reach our area. And that's the time that storms, it's a very unfavorable environment by then. So those storms will be on a weakening trend. So that's the question. Can these storms make it this far east? Then as we head towards the morning commute tomorrow, we are looking at pretty dry as that activity pushes off to our east. So if that cap can break, all severe hazards are possible. If that cap holds, though, unlike what we just saw there on future track, we do stay dry for the most of the night. But whichever scenario, we have to prepare for the worst, right? So make sure to have multiple ways to get severe weather alerts, including those that can wake you up tonight if we get that severe activity to roll through overnight. We dry out tomorrow, but we cool off. We go from the 80s to the 60s. More rain returns Wednesday night into Thursday.